Hello everybody. So check it out. It's just a flurry here. Amazon just dropped off this box. So let's find out what it is. It's a big old gift bag. See who sent us something before we open it up. Okay, so this is from Christy L. Christy's in Canada, and let's look at what Christy sent. Oh wow, y'all, this is pretty darn cool. Oh, can y'all see what that is? Jungle collapsible clay combo. So it's a tunnel with two cubed ends. And the cats have an older version of this that they love. They absolutely love this thing. And they played with it so much, they've actually tore it up now. And so the timing to get this is like perfect timing. Oh, it couldn't be more perfect. Freak. Wow, spring loaded, y'all. This is pretty darn new. Brand new tone. That one. This goes inside one. And this one here, I think it must go inside this one. It's got a roof. Don't seem to be sitting quite right. But it's doing good. So check it out. Here's this part. What's one thing that's really neat about this, and I'm going to have to unpack it and put it all together, but it comes with little Velcro pieces, and they are designed to attach here, and then they attach on here. So it's a way for you to hook the tunnel and the house together, and well, the cats love it. It'll take me a few minutes to attach this up, and we'll get some shots of the cats exploring after I get it together. Thank you so much, Christy. You know this is going to be hit with cats, so thanks a bunch. Booger Roux, he was sleeping in his nap. I got him. You saw him at the beginning of the video, and he's over here supervising. He loves the tunnel, usually when we get out the string toy. So here he's going to check it out. Alright, we'll get some more video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again, Christy. Bye. Have a blessed day.